Save time and money with today's recommended business and have a profitable day.
Hi, it's Tom with theprofitableday.com with today's recommended business. JP Mechanical in Minnesota. They have installed and serviced boilers since 1970. They do installation and repair of steam, hot water boilers, and in-floor heating. They service all boilers and radiators. Their website has photos showing examples of steam boiler installation, red tank boiler, triangle tube boiler, and others are shown as well. You may contact them on their website or call the number on your screen. JP Mechanical. They are today's recommended business. Thanks for watching and have a profitable day.